Hey guys, welcome to CryptoPark channel, and today I'm gonna talk about how you can earn Zedxion cryptocurrency completely free. And this cryptocurrency is already tradable, so you can withdraw it anytime you want. So guys, to get free cryptocurrency, you need to first register on Zedxion Crypto Exchange. Then you need to complete your KYC. You will find the registration link in the description below. Don't forget to register from the link which I have provided. Then only you will get 5 Zedxion token completely free when you are registering. After login, click on Trade menu, then go to Task Center. Here you can claim 2 Zedxion token every day. So for that you just need to log in every day and click on Check in Now button. So here you can see I have claimed 2 Zedxion for today. Next day I will also log in and claim 2 Zedxion token. Here are few other tasks also. If you are interested, you can complete this task also. But this requires depositing some amount of crypto depending on the task. Here is one thing I want to mention. To be able to withdraw your Zedxion token, you need to have at least $15 worth of Zedxion token, then only you will be able to withdraw it. So as of now, you will need around 120 Zedxion token, then only you will be able to withdraw it. So the amount of Zedxion token in the future may increase or decrease, depend on the price of the Zedxion token. Here is the current price of Zedxion coin. You can earn more Zedxion coin just by referring your friend. You will also earn 5 Zedxion coin, your friend will also earn 5 Zedxion coin. So that is win-win for you both. So guys, when you are registering, don't forget to use my referral link, so that you can earn 5 Zedxion coin after completing your KYC. So guys, I hope I am able to explain it well. If you still have doubt, you can comment anytime. If you want to receive more airdrop related videos, don't forget to subscribe me. Also follow me on Telegram. There I post more airdrops than YouTube. So that's it for today guys. See you soon. Bye bye.